Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. After that, click on About Phone section located at the top. Then select device name next to Android version and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, tap on OK and then hit OK in device name pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, my device name has changed. If you wish to rechange it to exactly the same, and remember to select OK twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!